Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Power Grid. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Power Grid with an unchanged price target of Rs 400. Company is well positioned to benefit from the capex in the renewable space in the power sector. On the conservative side, company will have to do a capex of Rs 2.1 lakh crore till 2032 on a gross block of 2.76 lakh crore. So there is a huge runway for growth. Next, we have an update on Radico Khaitan. Our analyst maintains buy on Radico Khaitan with a revised price target of Rs 2,489. Radico Khaitan FY 2024 financials were strong, with revenues and operating profit growing by 31% and 41% respectively, with an over 20% volume growth in the prestige and above portfolio. With no major capex plan, the company aims to turn debt-free by FY26. Return profile at low double digits will substantially improve over the next 3 years. With strong strategies in place, we expect Radico Khaitan's revenue and PAT to grow at CAGR of 18% and 38% respectively over FY24 to 27. Strong earning growth and reduction in debt will boost return profile in the coming years. Stock trades at 53 times FY26 and 42 times FY27 earnings respectively.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.